Today we are going to discussing domestic procurement process intrastate Indian GST scenario. So how are we going to calculate GST, SGST, CGST while procuring material within this state? The meaning of intrastate is within the state we are going to procuring material from external vendor. Okay, and the how are we going to calculating these SGST, CGST in the case intrastate procurement process? That is the main thing. So system is calculating based on this combination, based on this key combination. Okay, this key combination. What is this key? Okay, destination country. Okay, what is the destination country? Let's say India. That is India. Both are in the India only. Next, plant region. Let's say, for example, 01. Let us assume that 01 is a Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Again, this is intrastate. Intrastate means within the state. Plant region exists located in the Andhra Pradesh, and supplier also located in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next, tax indicator for material. Yes, tax GST applicable. GST applicable. There is some materials GST is not applicable. Okay. So basically it is zero indicator. Zero indicator means GST applicable. Okay. GST applicable. Okay. Next, vendor GST calculation. Okay. This is empty. Empty means vendor registered under GST. Okay, vendor registered under GST. So this is the HSN code. The government of India given some HSN codes based on the material wise. So this is the main one to calculate GST HSN code. Main one to calculate GST. Next, intrastate means supplier and receiver both are same state. So in this case, applicable GST is SGST and CGST. SGST means JISG is the condition type. The condition type. JICG means central GST, applicable condition type. SG means state GST, CG means central GST. Okay. Now, how these will automatically determine while creating purchase order. So now we will see in essay. I'm going to creating a purchase order. Ration ME21N. Okay. And I'm giving, this is the supplier. This is my purchase organization. And this is my material. So let us assume that I'm going to procuring this material around 100 quantity. Okay. And net price is 100. So my plant is this, my storage location is this. Okay. Just I'm clicking enter. Just go to the invoice tab. Okay. Go to the invoice tab. Here we have a tax code. So this particular tax code will be going to help to calculate the particular GST. Okay. Based on the discussed key combination. Just click the taxes beside the tax code in invoice tab. Okay. Here, let us assume that this is, for example, India government of India given some percentages. Let us assume that this is the one of the percentage. Okay. Let's see how these two conditions are going to determine in PO. Okay. Select this. Here we have a condition record. Click on this condition record. So see, if you see here, destination country IN 01 means Andhra Pradesh. This is the region, vendor region. Here, this is the plant region. Okay, you can see the description itself, plant region. Here, see the normal region. That means supplier region. GST classification. Yes. What is the GST classification? MT means here GST supplier applicable. Where is that? 1 second. MT means vendor GST register. Okay. So next HSN code. Sorry. Next tax indicator for material. What is the 0? 0 means GST applicable. Yes. It comes under GST. This particular material comes under GST. This is the example control code I have created to determine the GST. This is the example control code. Okay. So you can see here 5%. This is ICG, central GST. In the same way, come back and click on JISG, go to the condition record. Here we can find again. So destination country, supplier region, plant region, both are same. 01 Andhra Pradesh, 01 Andhra Pradesh. Vendor GST classification empty. That means vendor registered under GST. Tax indicator for material. Yes, material comes under GST. This is the example tax code. Let us assume that this is the control code or HSN code or service account code. Okay, and this is the validity period. Okay, this is the percentage. Let us assume that this is the percentage which is there under the categories which is given by Government of India. 4 categories. So this is the determine the GST CGST. Now we will check what is the supplier region. Condition records determined based on the plant region, vendor region. What is the vendor region? We will see now. Just here in the header level. What is the PO? PO basically having 3 views. This is the header view. Okay, header view is nothing but vendor view, vendor details. This is the item view, item details. Item view is nothing but material details. Item details means the material details which are going to having detail based on each and every tab page. Okay, material details based on the each tab page. So let us assume that he is our vendor. Okay, so we'll see the address belongs to this vendor. Where is the address icon here? Address tab page, header level here. This is the address tab page. Okay. Address details, click on address details. You will see here plant region, supply region 01 on. Okay, as per our example. Okay, is it clear? Next, close this window. I'm not going to anywhere. I'm at a PO level only, showing all the details. Next, plant region. So this particular material requires which plant? 99A, A9. This is the plant, and this is the delivery address. Belongs to the plant. Okay, and here if you see here, I can find the region Andhra Pradesh. Okay, now 2 completed. Vendor region, plant region, both are same. So intrastate, that means JISG, JSCG applicable. Central GST, state GST. Now, destination country, yes, obviously both are same, that is India. Next one is tax code, that is 98. This is the one, okay, which we have seen. Next one is HSN code. Where is the HSN code? Here, go to the India tab. Here we can see the HSN code, nothing but control code. Okay. Next, yes, tax indicator for material. That will basically based on material master. Just click on this here. Click on this line item level. On this line item level. Go to the purchasing view. Here, this is the purchasing view. Here you can see the 0. That means tax indicator for material. Okay. 0 means taxable under GST. Okay. Just come back. Code, we have seen everything. Okay, and this is the percentage which we have maintained at condition 5%. Okay, 5. Just come back and save the PO. Okay, this is the purchase order we have posted. Okay, just copy this. Migo. Try to do the Migo. Just item okay. Check and post. Item okay. Check and post. We have received 100 quantity. Okay. Now, what is the value you can see? Just go to the display document here and GR level. Just click enter and go to the document info tab page. Here we have a FA documents tab. Just click on that. So that we'll be going to getting two documents. One is accounting document, another one is metallurgical document. What is this accounting document? So what is the PO value? What is the material value? Okay, we'll be going to getting that. See here, this is the material value, 10,000, 100 quantity, 100 rupees. Okay, inventory account BSX debit and GRIR clearing account credit with WRX. Okay, and we'll see that WSX and WRX. This is the transaction, so that we will see. Okay, and we'll save this permanently. Okay, and now just close this and see the accounting keys. Okay, transaction key, tax code. See here. Okay, this is the BSX. So inventory account. Okay, material account, inventory account, debit, and GRIR clearing account credit. Okay, the debit means BSX, credit means WRX. Now we'll be going to do the invoice for this PO. Okay. So now I can, I'll tell you. Okay. It is buffering, just wait for 2 minutes. Now, Miro, go to Miro. Go to Miro. And here give our PO number. So our PO number. No issue. Just invoice date is just we can tell. Okay, no issue. So basically here this is the company code. That is not our company code. Just go to edit, switch company code. Remove this and give our company code. Okay, just click enter. Okay. So now just enter invoice date, today date. Let's say, for example, some reference number, and here I'm going to give my PO number. Okay. Now this is our tax code 9A, and click on calculate tax. Okay, and take this amount, and here put it 11,000. Okay, click enter. So it balance become 0 and it will become a green light. So go to simulate button. If you want, we can see again the GST, CGST payable and the GST payable. Okay, and post the document. Okay, now go to the display document. Click on follow on documents. Just go to the accounting document and see. Okay, this is a tax code. We can see this here. GRIR clearing account debit, supplier account credit, debit, credit, and GRIR clearing account debit, GST debit, CGST debit. Okay, with respect to account keys. If you see here, KBS vendor account debit. So WRX it is vendor account credit. See here, vendor account is credit. Sorry, and WRX debit and JSC debit, JS debit. Okay, CGST payable debit, GST payable debit. So to which account? To vendor account. That is KBS. Okay, this is the process. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Stop here. Close this.